Good morning, children. Okay, I am here again before you. You remember my name, huh? What's my name? Yes, I am Mrs. Panchashila, and we have come to the third lesson. What? In which subject? In English. English, lesson 3. What's the name of the lesson, by the way? What is the name of the lesson? My day. First I taught you about my family, no? All my. No? What's the name of the lesson? My day. What is my day? Not May day, my day. What is my day? Like every one of us, we have a day. Like when you get up in the morning, you know what all you do during the daytime. One full day, what you do. That is called my day. So here the one girl by name, what's her name? Neha. What's the name of the girl here telling about her day? When she gets up, how she gets up, what she does after getting up from her sleep. Understand? What are the things she does once she gets up from her sleep? So these are the things, and she tells you the full day's activities, all the things that she does on during one day. Understand? So here mine is Neha. Neha is the girl telling us. Neha is the girl who is telling us about her day. You know how you spend your day, you know how you are going to spend your day, and yesterday was Sunday, you know how you spent your day. Must be very lazy. I know. You all are very lazy. Because every day mommy tells you, get up, get ready to school, get up, get up. So yesterday Sunday, no school. Yes? So you must have had a long sleep, getting up 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. Okay, that's all right. But not every day. That should not be the activity of every day. There's a saying, no? Early to bed and early to rise makes a person healthy, wealthy and wise. That is, you go to bed early in the night. Go by 8:30 and 9 o'clock. Don't wait for your father to come at 11 o'clock and then you have a good chat and all that. No, you are children. You need to go to school every day, no? Early in the morning without being late. So go to bed early, and in the morning also you get up early. Don't get up at 8 o'clock and 8:15 your auto man comes to take you to school. And then you leave your breakfast half the way, you leave half the drink, half the milk in the glass. No, get up at least at 6:30. Or 6 or 6:30 is the time that you should get up every day. That is from Monday to Saturday. Okay, Sunday you can relax and get up 1 hour late. I don't say no. Okay. Now what is this Neha saying? This is my day. I am going to tell you. I am going to tell you how I am spending my day. What are the things? What is the work that I am doing throughout the day? She is going to give us an account of it. Okay. So what is she telling us? I wake up. Neha is telling us, I wake up. What is I wake up? I get up. She says, I wake up, I get up. What is the meaning of I wake up and I get up? Yes. Waking up is night you go to sleep. Morning when you open your eyes and come back to the daytime, come back to the day. That is called I wake up. So I wake up from my sleep. From my night sleep, I wake up when? Early hours of the day. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up. Then I get up means what? I get out of my bed. Once I open my eyes, okay, 2 minutes I'll spend stretching my hand or just like that, thinking. I'll take 2 or 3 minutes to get activated. Then I get up. Then I get up from my bed. No more sleeping. Time to go to school. I get up early in the morning. Say at 6 o'clock. After mommy shouting and shouting and shouting. Neha, my girl, get up. Again second time. Neha, you should get up. Neha, my girl, auto man is going to come and you should get up from your sleep. Okay, at last you open your eyes. That is called waking up. What is that called? Waking up. When you sleep, night, morning you open your eyes. then it's called waking up from your sleep. Then I get up. I get up means what? I get out of my bed. I come down my bed. Okay? I'll jump out of my bed and do what? Go sit opposite to the TV and watch the TV. Huh? No, 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 no. Today is Monday. You have to go to school. Understood? Miss is waiting there. Sister is waiting on the stage for the assembly. Bell is going to ring. All these things we have to attend. So, I go wash my face. First thing what you do is, mommy gives you a brush with paste on it. You are all Maharanis now. So, mommy gives you a brush with a paste on it. So, you brush and brush and brush your teeth. Okay. So, you should brush like this way. Don't brush like this. Your teeth will get damaged. So, brush it like this way in that circular way. Okay, you brush your teeth. And you know another thing, what Neha has a very good friend. Who's that good friend? Can anyone tell me? Yes, a teddy bear. Neha has a teddy bear, a toy. So Neha has a toy. What is this toy called? Can you all see? It is not a dog. Is it a dog or a teddy bear, girls? It is a teddy bear. Come on, I'll put it on the board. I say you get up. Will the teddy bear get up? Will the teddy bear walk? No. Only for Neha to spend her time. It is my friend. My teddy bear is my friend. This is my toy. This is my... I talk to my teddy bear. I tell tales. Tales is what? Not having a tail at the back. A tale is a story. Understand? And I tell my friend teddy bear all that had happened in the class, in the school. How I learnt my lessons, how my teacher was explaining the lessons. Understood? Everything I come home and tell my teddy bear and it will listen very nicely. Oh. Okay, we'll keep the bear here. But don't look at this only, yeah? Listen to me also. Teddy bear does not wash his face. See that, Neha, my girls? Teddy bear. Come on, I'll tell. Come on, teddy bear, wash your face. Will you do that? When I say, hey, Neha, wash your face. Yes, miss. Yes, mommy. When I say, teddy bear, wash your face. Will it say yes or no? It does not move at all because it has no life. Okay. But Neha is a small girl. No? She does not know that living and non-living and this one can talk, that one cannot talk. And all. So she says, I get up in the morning. Okay. I brush my teeth. But my poor teddy bear will not brush its teeth. Every day it's the same. My teddy bear will not brush its teeth. Then, next what does it do after brushing? I brush my teeth and then I get dressed. No. After you brushing your teeth, go have your bath. Go have a shower. A good and make yourself relax. You relax under the shower. You have a good shower. You shed out. That is, you leave all your laziness in the bathroom itself. Okay? Then you come out active as ever. Ready? So then you dress up. What dress do you put on? A color dress, huh? No. You are going to school, remember. And you will not be allowed with a color dress. You only have to go in your school uniform. A neat, well washed and pressed nicely. And then your hair, well combed. Oil up your hair, comb it and tie up. No leaving your hair like fancy competition or like fancy dress competition. Oil up your hair, tell your mommy to comb your hair clean, keep your hair clean. All the lice and all on Sundays, you tell mommy to clean your hair. Okay? Then tell mommy to comb your hair and tie it up with ribbons, no using rubber bands. Sister, headmistress will catch you for using rubber bands. She will send you out of the class. So put on rubber bands and you look neat. She got up from her bed. She woke up from her sleep. She got up from her bed, brushed her teeth and had a good shower. Shower means what? A bath. Then what did she wear? She wore a neat uniform and combed her hair well and tied it up with ribbons. Okay? Okay, children, I'm not going to task you a lot today. I will stop my lesson here. Again, tomorrow I'll come back. Okay? I'll come back before you. Again, I'll continue the lesson. Okay? In the meantime, don't waste your day. Let me see how you are going to spend your day. You at least get up and read the lesson till where I taught you. The few lines that I taught you, read and understand well. Okay, children? Okay. Thank you. Bye.